Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix one earbud isn't working on your REDMI Buds for Lite. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone and we can see it right now. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Now check it. Maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So, put your earbuds to the charging case and after that, remove it from the charging case. Right here at the top we have the touch areas. So, press at the same time both of the touch areas on your left and right earbud 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see now, we have no connection, so firstly we should remove it. Forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!